Hello, everyone. You might think this power plug is only good for the recycling bin, but I'll show you how to give them a completely new purpose, capable of some truly surprising feats. I'm starting with this old phone charger. We need to carefully open its casing to get to the internal circuit board. I'll use a utility knife to gently pry it open along the seams. This is a delicate process, so take your time to avoid damaging the components inside. Once open, I'll use a pair of pliers to carefully extract the circuit board. I'm now applying a small amount of solder to each of the exposed contacts on the circuit board. This prepares them for connecting our wires. Next, I'm taking a red and a blue wire. I'll strip a small section of insulation from each end. Exposing the copper is crucial for making secure electrical connections. I'm using a helping hand tool here to hold the wires steady while I work, making sure my connections are perfect. I'm applying tin to the stripped copper wire ends in preparation for connection. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Using my soldering iron, I'm carefully attaching two wires to specific points on the circuit board. It's critical to make sure these connections are strong to prevent any short circuits or signal loss. Now, I'm carefully placing the modified circuit board back into the charger's casing. I'll make sure the wires are neatly routed, so I'll remove the USB port from the circuit board and let the wires run through it. It's a bit of a tight fit, but with a little finesse, it snaps back together, leaving our connection wires exposed and ready. For the next part, I'm taking a standard electrical power plug. I'll use a screwdriver to open it up and remove its internal components, specifically the metal pins. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I will cut the blue and red wires to fit snugly into the plug. I'm stripping the outer insulation layer. Now, I'll attach the red and blue wires coming from our modified charger directly to the pins of the power plug using the original screws. This effectively integrates the charger's transformed circuit with the plug's ability to draw power from an outlet. This combination is what's going to make our antenna work its magic. With the wiring complete, I'm reassembling the electrical plug. I carefully fit the wired pins back into the casing. It's important to ensure everything sits snugly and that the exposed pin ends protrude correctly. I'll then tighten the central screw to secure the two halves of the plug, forming a solid, compact unit. I'm using hot glue to secure the plug to the charger. Next, I carefully took a piece of the central copper core and separated it from the black cable. Then I will meticulously wrap the central copper wire around a small screwdriver to form a spring-like coil. This unique spring shape is crucial for maximizing the antenna's surface area and enhancing its ability to pick up signals. Similarly, I'm preparing a spring-shaped wire to attract the signal from my homemade antenna. I'm now attaching these two coiled spring antenna elements to the metal pins of the brown power plug. This creates a simple yet effective antenna structure. I will adjust the position of the spring so that it can make contact with more signals. Each coil is securely fastened, ensuring a good electrical contact for optimal performance. To complete the setup, I prepared a small wooden stand with a standard electrical outlet, connecting a black coaxial cable to this outlet. I will connect the homemade antenna to the socket, and our antenna is now complete. As you can see, my TV currently shows no signal. But watch what happens when I plug in our homemade antenna. At the other end of the coaxial cable is an L-shaped connector for easy connection to the TV. In a few seconds, the screen springs to life, displaying crystal clear channels. This incredible device, made from simple, repurposed materials, effectively amplifies the signal, turning what was once a blank screen into a vibrant display of television programs. It's truly amazing. I can cycle through various channels, and each one comes in perfectly. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. Our incredible multifunctional TV antenna, made from a simple phone charger and a power plug. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and basic tools, you can achieve truly surprising things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.